Okay, so let's start with the new topic, that is market basket analysis. This is a very useful and quite widely used whenever you want to analyze the market, your customers. So let's see details about it. Market basket analysis is also called as association analysis or frequent item set mining. We analyze purchases that commonly happen together. For example, people who buy bread and peanut butter also buy jelly. Market basket analysis can also be used to cross sell products. Cross selling means that you are trying to sell the item of a different line, not of the same line. So market basket analysis is a modeling technique based upon the theory that if you buy a certain group of items, you are more or less likely to buy another group of items. Market basket analysis is one of the key techniques used by large retailers to uncover associations between items. It works by looking for combinations of items that occur together, frequently in transactions. To put it in another way, it allows retailers to identify relationships between the items that people buy. So it is basically the analysis of the customers' behavior. The approach is based on the theory that customers who buy a certain item or a group of items are more likely to buy another specific item or group of items of the same group or maybe of a different group. For example, while at a quick serve restaurant, say a QSR, if someone buys a sandwich and a cookie, they are also more likely to buy a drink than someone who did not buy a sandwich. This correlation becomes more valuable if it is shown to be stronger than that between the sandwich and drink without the cookies. Now, MBA can be used to recommend a purchase based on the absence of a common pairing, such as when customer at a QSR orders only a small sandwich, they might be more likely to buy a dessert or a second sandwich than someone who bought a large sandwich. Staff trained to recognize these situations can offer their customers the additional items, possibly with a discount to make the option more attractive. All of us, all of us must have experienced this when we go to the restaurant. These kinds of things do happen with us. MBA aims to find relationships and establish patterns across purchases. The relationship is modeled in the form of a conditional algorithm, like if sandwich, cookies, then drink. If the shorthand notation, which translates to items on the right, are likely to be ordered with the items on the left. Now, a collection of items purchased by a customer is an item set. The set of items on the left hand side, sandwich, cookies, etc., in the example above, is the antecedent of the rule, while the one in the right is the consequent. The probability that the antecedent event will occur, that is, the customer will buy a sandwich and cookies, is the support of the rule. That simply refers to the relative frequency that an item set appears in transactions. In a QSR, the support of an item or item combination helps to identify keystone products. Hence, if a sandwich and cookies have high support, then they can be priced to attract people to the store. Now, the probability that a customer will purchase a drink on the condition of purchasing a sandwich and cookies is referred to as the confidence of the rule. Confidence can be used for product placement, strategy, and increasing profitability. Placing high margin items near associated high confidence, that is driver items, can increase the overall margin on purchases. The lift of the rule is the ratio of the support of the left hand side of the rule, sandwich, cookies, etc., co-occurring with the right hand side, that is drink, divided by the probability that left hand side and right hand side co-occur if the two are independent. Now, a lift greater than 1 suggests that the presence of the antecedent increases the chances that the consequent will occur in a given transaction. Lift below 1 indicates that the purchasing the antecedent reduces the chances of purchasing the consequent in the same transaction. Note this could indicate that the items are seen by customers as alternative to each other. When the lift is 1, then purchasing the antecedent makes no difference on the chances of purchasing the consequent. Market basket analysis. Analysts search for rules with lift that are greater than 1, backed with high confidence values and often high support. The priori algorithm is a commonly applied technique in computational statistics that identifies item sets that occur with a support greater than a predefined value or frequency and calculates the confidence of all possible rules based on those item sets. Thus, one can easily understand and relate association rules which are widely used to analyze retail basket or transaction data and are intended to identify strong rules discovered in transaction data using measures of the interestingness based on the concept of strong rules. So this completes the first part of the MBA, that is market basket analysis. Thank you.